Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to cover how to set up a chocolate and candy manufacturing business in Dubai. Today in this video I am going to cover how to set up a chocolate and candy manufacturing business in Dubai. So first of all we have to understand that setting up a chocolate or candy manufacturing business is highly profitable in Dubai. Moreover, the landscape of business setup is ideal to register this kind of venture because here in UAE we have investor friendly policies, ease of doing business setups and modern infrastructure, and the last one is strategic location. So today in this video I am going to cover what is the process requirement and which external parties approval we have to obtain in order to start the operations of manufacturing of candies and chocolate. So the first question comes, what license we should obtain in order to start the manufacturing of chocolate and candy business? We need to get an industrial license in order to start our legally operations in UAE. The second one, further to engage in industrial license, we can take an activity of like a cocoa and chocolate manufacturing business license. Further, it depends which jurisdiction we choose. If we are going for a mainland license, like in a local company setup, we need to take a Dubai municipality approval as well. However, if we choose for any free zone area, then we have to take only the approvals from free zone authority itself. The fabrication of cocoa, chocolate, sweets and nuts and biscuits all are covered under this license. Further, this activity falls in the bread manufacturing activity group, and we can say if we are going for the Dubai mainland company, or we can say the local market company registration, then the activity code will be 1073102. So now we will be discussing what are the requirements in order to set up a manufacturing unit. So now in this part we will be covering what is the process or what is the requirements. So if you are unfamiliar with the jurisdictions of UAE and regarding the company formation, it might be a bit difficult for you to register or setting up a manufacturing unit yourself. Hence you need any professional service provider who can help you throughout from A to Z for all the full services. So today I am going to cover what are the points which we have to cover when we do the process part of the manufacturing unit. So the first step would be choosing the right activity for your manufacturing business. Second one, to do the name reservation for your manufacturing unit. The third one will be the number of shareholders. We have to see how many corporate shareholders are there or any individuals. Accordingly, we have to decide the legal structure of the company. Once we finalize the legal structure, name reservation, we will be applying the initial approval. Generally, after the approval, we receive this initial approval certificate. Once we receive the initial approval certificate, the next step would be getting the Izari, or we can say the lease agreement for the production facility premises. Once we have all these documents collected and done the paperwork, then we will submit all these documents filed in the license authority, and after making the necessary payment, we will get our industrial license. So the first step would be choosing the appropriate activity from the business activity list. So once we decide the activity, the next step would be reserving the name of your manufacturing unit. Afterwards, we will apply for the, we will see how many shareholders are there in the company. Is it a corporate shareholders or individual shareholders? Accordingly, we will decide the legal structure of the company. After doing these steps, we will apply for the initial approval, and once we receive the initial approval certificate, we will go for the municipality approval, which we call generally the external approval. We have to take a approval from the Dubai municipality, from the Food and Health Safety Department. Once we receive all these approvals, then we will get our lease agreement for the office premises or the production facility. Once we have the lease agreement and all the approvals done, we will submit to the final authority, DED authority, and after making the necessary payment, we will get our finally the industrial license. So this is overall about the procedure part. Now we will see this question which generally most of our clients ask, like, do we need a municipality approval when we are starting a manufacturing unit in Dubai? So now the next question comes, why do we need a Dubai municipality approval when we are opening any manufacturing unit or obtaining any industrial license? So Dubai municipality approval is generally requires when the business activity is a special activity. So when we do the production of chocolate and cocoa, this kind of products, this one we can say it involves a potential risk to the health of the customer. Hence we need to take a municipality approval from the Food and Safety Department. So this is, as we can say, it's a process of while opening your manufacturing unit, We don't need to just take only municipality approval. Further, we have to take DED and other government authorities, ministries approval. So this is overall process about opening a cocoa or chocolate candy factory unit in Dubai. Further, if you have any question related to business setup, company formation, corporate services, feel free to contact us at below given details. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.